Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to give a brief midweek analysis on certain pairs. I'll be talking about gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and GBP Jpy. So let's start with gold. So on the gold daily chart, you can see that price has broken this trend line here, and price was ranging for a bit, but today it's forming a very strong bullish candle. So looking at the daily charts, my prediction says price getting to this level, to this resistance level here on the daily chart, possibly coming back down to the support, then back to break this resistance level, retesting it and making another bullish move. All right, there's also the possibility that when price gets to this resistance level, that is going to break it, come back to retest it and make a bullish run. So generally speaking, my bias on gold is bullish. If we go down to a lower time frame, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see that price is ranging here and price has broken this range. So a close of this 4-hour candle above this level could mean a continuation into the daily resistance level. If you take this further to a much more lower time frame as well, you can see that on the daily time frame, price broke above this level and started moving back upwards. On the 15 minutes time frame, if you're a day trader, you can see that price broke the level, came back to retest it, and is starting to make an up move. So if you're not in this trade, I would suggest that you can either enter now or you can wait until price gets to this level here and see how price reacts. Normally I swing trade, so I trade the 4-hour time frame. So I'll be waiting for price to get to this level. If there's a break above this level, I'll wait for a retest before I enter my buy trade. If not, if price does not break this level and continues to the downside, then I'll wait for price to get here before I enter my buy trade. But generally speaking, I would only be looking for buy trades on gold. And Euro USD on the other hand, I hope you're able to capitalize on this trade. This was a very beautiful trade I took that closed today, um, giving me about 60 pips. Price broke this resistance level and has come back to retest the level. So on the 4-hour, you can see that price is going below this level, but we'll wait until the 4-hour candle closes before we know whether it will close below this resistance level or whether it will close above the resistance level. A close below the resistance level could mean continuation to the downside. That's price going back down to test this level as well as the trend line before continuing to the upside. Okay, to the daily resistance here. Okay, so we expect that price could get all the way down to this daily resistance here, testing the trend line as well as support level. Note that price could also break this support level as well and trend line and continue down to the downside. So this is a very key area that we'll be looking out for later in the future. But for now, we need to see how price will react around this level. Okay, so if you move to the 1-hour time frame, I would suggest that you don't enter any trade for the time being and see how price reacts to this level. So if this ends up closing, maybe forming a pin bar or forming some sort of bullish reversal, then I'll suggest that you can enter the candle at this point. So as you can see, price came from here to test this level and this level and this level and this level, then broke out of it, and now it's coming back down. So it could either continue to the downside, meaning that this was just a false breakout, or it could test this and continue to the upside. So any of this can happen, and you just need to watch out closely because the reaction is about to happen around here. All right, so on GBP USD, you can see that I also took this trade and price is going according to plan, and I'm expecting price to get to this level here, this 1.41 level, before we see some sort of reaction. This is a support level here that has been tested several times, so it is significant for me as price has been tested multiple times. So I'll be looking for a reaction around this level, and if price breaks this level to the downside, then I'll wait for a retest, and we may end up taking the sell. If price breaks down, wait for a retest before taking the sell down to the downside. But if price shows a bullish reversal candle around this level, then I may end up buying the trade to the upside. If we look at the 4-hour time frame on this pair, we can see that this pair favors more of once this level breaks, then I would suggest that you look for sell opportunities until we get down to this upward trend line here or resistance level here. But if this level holds, then you should be looking for buy levels to the upside until you get down to this resistance level. All right, so that's what we're looking at on the GBP USD. So let's go to the GBP JPY. So for this trade on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, price has gotten to the trend line here. Okay, so there was one here, second one here, and now price has gotten to this upward trend line. So we'll see how price reacts to this level. There's a possibility that price could just bounce from this level upwards and continue to the daily resistance here, or price could just form a false breakout down to this support level here, which has been tested several times, and then continue to the upside. On the other hand, price could break this trend line as well as break the support level and then continue to the downside. So this is a key level that we will be looking at here. We'll be looking at this area over here to see how price reacts to this area, and giving us an opportunity to either buy or sell. My general bias on this pair is actually bullish, so unless this level here is broken. If this level here is broken, then that bias becomes bearish, but as long as this level holds, my bias is bullish. All right, so this is just a quick analysis, midweek analysis on these 4 pairs. I hope the video has been very helpful for you. If it has, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great week ahead. Cheers.